Alright guys, so we about to take a ride in this thing right here. Never been in a Hellcat before. I've sat in one, never rode in one before, never have taken a ride in one before. So this is about to be interesting. License plate says YB stock, but it's all stock. For now. It's all stock for now. This is going to be interesting. I don't expect to drive it. I don't even think I'm gonna ask. Cause I gotta see how I feel first, cause this shit right here is, I think he's on 315s, I think, and this shit still might spin like a motherfucker, so. Dirty as hell, so what? It's a fucking Hellcat. So we're gonna see what's up, man. I think we're gonna take a little ride in there. I like his style, though. See that? If you don't know, his Instagram is Boulevard Bully. So he got the Boulevard Bully in there.
Oh yeah.
Again, forgive my shakiness. I still gotta get my gimbal. So the camera's gonna be a little shaky. So I gotta hold it with my hand. Trying to keep it as steady as best as I can. You know how it goes. So we're gonna take a nice ride with this guy here. This guy here.
Don't leave my trash.
Oh, okay. I won't get that on camera.
Edit my trash.
Don't worry about it. Alrighty. Let's get inside. It smells like beast in here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, man, so we inside. My guy, Matt's Hellcat. I'll put his information at the bottom. You cut that shit off. I'm trying to get paid here. Trying to get paid here, sir. So yeah, with my guy Matt's Hellcat. Anything you want to say to him, Matt?
No.
Just come to fucking RTBExhaust and spend some money. Spend some money. That's all you need to do. So we about to take a little ride, man. This is my first time being in a cat. First time riding the cat, because I sat in his cat before. I sat in my other buddy's cat, but I never took no ride. Now, the fastest car I've been in ever was, I had a buddy, he had a GTR before he sold it. It was like 750 to the wheels, and that bitch was nasty. That was something to experience for sure. So I want to see how this feel like, because of course GTRs are all-wheel drive, and this thing right here is rear wheel, so we're gonna see how it feels. He ain't gonna have no fucking traction, I'm sure. Yeah, we're gonna check this out, man. Cause a lot of people, they say Hellcats are like nothing you've ever driven before. That's what they say. Okay. And this is stock, like, yeah, okay, this is definitely like, you don't need this much fucking power, but you fucking want it. Like, you want it. If you can fucking get it, you fucking want it, and you'll do damn near anything to fucking have it. And that fucking wine, oh my God, man. Oh man, yeah, this thing is, sheesh. At least. Fuck. Yeah, yeah. And you still not hooking on fucking 315. Still not hooking. Oh shit, this shit fun as fuck. Oh man. This shit too motherfucking fun. See, I'm gonna get in my car and I ain't even gonna feel the same about my car no more. Like, he done ruined my whole experience in my Scat Pack now. Like.
I bet.
Oh Lord, he done gave me a wheel. Oh Lord. I need you. It should be still recording. All right, yeah. Ooh.
Light and then you can go again.
God damn, them shit stopped on a dime too. Oh man. Yeah, this is I will have to get one of these. I don't know when. My wife probably gonna cuss me out after she watched this, but yeah, gotta get one of these. Gotta get one. I don't care if it's a fucking Charger or Challenger. Got to get one of these motherfuckers right here. This shit is motherfucking amazing. They got so much fucking torque in it, dude. Like,
that's why I don't grip.
Yeah, that's why you ain't gonna fucking hook. Like, ever. Like, and then when you start modding it, you really just say goodbye to all fucking traction ever. This is not gonna fucking happen. Are you like in sport or track or anything?
Nope.
Nothing like driving one of these fucking cars. Nothing like driving a Hellcat. Now that GTR I was in, that shit's a monster, but that shit was all-wheel drive, and the nigga had upgraded turbos and all type of other crazy shit. So I expected some shit I'd never fucking experienced before. But this right here, like as an everyday driver, this shit is too fun, man. You got a lot of tickets coming your way. I'm gonna pray for you though.
I got a glove compartment full of tickets right now.
Yeah, okay, see? There it fucking goes right there. Damn! Ooh, all right, we're going to put this thing up, man. I haven't experienced enough, but I experienced enough today. I'll tell you that. Ooh, man. He said you won't let him drive. Why you won't let my nigga fat man drive the car, man?
Because he don't fit.
He got a Charger. It's the same fucking car, ain't it?
He not used to having speed. He a Chevy driver.
Oh shit! I used to be a Chevy man.
And then you came home.
My car, yeah, I did come home. My car was a V6. Okay. First, I want to say thank you to my guy Matt for letting me drive it, because I don't know when the next time will be when I'll drive. You leave your shit up.
Leave that shit open. Ain't nobody gonna jump in.
Show off. I don't know when the next time is gonna be. I got you. When I drive a Hellcat. I'm not gonna feel the same getting into my car now. Knowing that there's cars out here that drive like this, man, I think I just need to end the fucking video right here. I'm at a loss for words, man. This thing it's a beautiful fucking beast. It's beautiful. And you can literally drive this thing every day, bro. You can have this as a daily driver. As long as you don't have a far commute, because of course you're gonna burn gas. You can drive this motherfucker every day. Phew, man. And you're gonna give all these cars a run for their money. I almost put his keys in my pocket. I wanna take it home. Thank you to Matt again. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.